Hi, my name is Macna with Coral Typhoon company, and we have here one of our new creations. It's called a dipping tank. Everybody wants to have a little bit more of time, not only to be able to be with part of the family, but be able to spread your time to do other things within the hobby. And what we have here is a 5-gallon tub that is composed with a pump. It's a Pan World Series 50PX-X with a timer, and we have a lock line which is divided with an exit and a valve, which you can actually rotate in many directions. Depending where your tank it is located, you can bend the lock line to be able to accommodate the distance or the location where you're feeding the line from. Then we have a lock line with nozzles, 10 nozzles. They are actually graduated with the force of the pump to be able to have enough pressure as like a turkey baster. One of the styles that everybody's using to push with a turkey baster and shoot water at the coral to remove parasites. So at this time, you can actually bring the let me see here.
So does the water just spin the plate, or?
So the pump has two functions. It has a valve here, and let me show you here. It has a jet that is forcing the plate to move in that direction, because it has some fins in the bottom.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And it has a valve that you can actually reduce or increase the flow or the spin of the plate at the same time. With that valve in place, you can actually control the pressure that is coming from the nozzles. So if the coral is a little bit really infested, you can add more pressure coming from the nozzles, or make it very soft for a coral that is a little bit more delicate. It has the amount of 30 frags that you can add here. And then we have the bigger size that is located there. That's for 56 frags that you can add here.
And you can put your medication right in the tank.
Correct. As the individuals, some people use, RX or too little fishy. So somehow they have maneuvered different solutions to use for eradicating the pest. You just add it into the tank. Then what you could do is you shut the pump, open valve, you let the solution and everything to be exit, and then you can add more water to be able to fill with a new solution and new corals.
Okay. You said you could actually use that to help acclimate right from your tank water from your tank, right?
Correct. Yes. You can actually acclimate. Not only that you can acclimate just corals without medicating them, because you're spinning them and you're using flow as for them to start accommodating to the new tank. But then at the same time, you could be using the water from your tank, so they're already being accommodated.
Right. Almost like a little coral car wash.
Yes. And then you have the timer, which is crucial, because you can go and do something else within your house. And as soon as it goes to 15 minutes, which is normally the process for dipping, you can come back and the wash is already done. The dipping is already done.
Now, does it all take apart and fit in most of inside the thing when you're not using it?
Correct. Yes, everything is removable. All the parts are removable. The pump is twisted, as you can see, is 1 inch. We recommend always to use Teflon for prevent any leak of water. But all the sections you can remove them.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and so so they can order it online, or?
Yes, they can order it online. We just set up a Facebook account, and we just opened a new account too with coraltyphoon.com.
Okay.
These are the pricing right now, especially for the event.
Okay.
It's this one is $450, which is this one, and $550 for the big one.
And you get everything, the pump and
everything is included as you see it here. The only thing you will need is the solution. To be allowed for the dipping.
So if you have that set up, can you just hang a little heater in it just to keep the water?
That's not a bad idea too. If you want to acclimate.
I mean, just a little nano heater just to keep the water of temperature so that they don't get cold, especially for 50 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you talking to us.
Come and visit us.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Facebook.
Okay. Thanks a lot.